Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to clear or reset or delete the host names using hostnamectl command in Rocky Linux 8 operating system. So first let me open the terminal. So hostnamectl command will give you the details of hostname. You can see static hostname is set and pretty hostname also is there. Okay, login as a root user. So first I am going to execute this command hostnamectl set -hostname empty double quotes, open double quotes, close the double quotes, empty, it's empty string -- pretty. So this command will remove the pretty hostname or clear the pretty hostname. You can see that pretty hostname is got cleared or it removed. Okay. So this empty string will clear the pretty hostname. Okay. Next, I am going to reset the static hostname. Let us see what is going to happen. So make sure that your computer is not in network while clearing the static hostname. See here, after removing the static hostname, it's showing as not applicable. Transient hostname also it's showing as localhost. And let me check the cat etc/hostname. Oh, you can see that hostname file itself got deleted. Okay, so this is the problem. Okay, so a reboot also does not work here. So what you need to do is put back the hostname. Okay, I am putting back the static hostname. So after putting back the static hostname, I can able to see the hostname. Hostname file is got restored. So keep in mind that a reboot does not work here. Only reverting the host entries will be working. Okay, so make sure that if you reset or clear the static host entries, your computer should not be in network. It should be in standalone mode or in isolated mode. Then only you touch the or change the static host entries.